What's going on, guys? Today at Tacoma we're going to install our spiker hood struts on this 2017 Tacoma. We're going to go through the step-by-steps of how to install these, how to drill them, preparation, all that kind of stuff. So we already jumped into it actually. We popped the hood. We got this spacer popping the hood up 0 to 8 inches higher than what your factory bar will do. That's what these hood struts are capable of. And from that position, we're going to be drilling some holes and adding some rivets to put in these struts. So first off, let's go over the kit so you know what you're getting, and then we'll jump into the install. Okay guys, so here's the kit. It's going to come in one of these elongated boxes. It will say on here that you are getting a Spiker Engineering Ultimate Lift Hood Strut Kit for 2016 to present Tacoma. Now these are made in the USA, which is cool. So you're gonna get these 4 brackets. They're gonna be paired up. Driver side, passenger side, it doesn't matter. You're gonna get the rivets, and then you're gonna get your drill bit stop. And this is a cool thing that they include, because without this you could drill too far and dent your hood or another part of the vehicle. So we have our 3/16 drill bit that you're gonna need. We're going to put the stopper on there, or hold it right there, and you're going to want to expose about 1/4 inch of the bit, kind of like that. And then we're going to cut our drill stop, fit it on there, and then we're going to start measuring to place these brackets in the proper positions to hold the actual struts that we're going to be installing. Okay guys, I cut the drill like a little guard, leaving that 1/4 inch roughly out. Okay, now next on the instructions, we're going to remove some clips, remove some guards, and then use our tape to start mapping out where our bracket's going. So to remove the clips, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver, which is already right here. So the clips are located right here. I actually already removed mine to see if this flathead would be a good tool. That way, this piece right here, step over there. No, yeah, now point right here. Just my hands. Get this whole thing in there. Yep. Okay, what I would do, come over here. You're gonna lift. There's a clip right here on the end. This back clip will then come off a little easier. Okay, you just set that to the side. Expose this area. This is what we want right here. Okay, let me grab our piece of tape. Also going to need a Sharpie. Perfect. Now let's take some measurements and make some appropriate holes so that we have a spot where that bracket's going to go. Okay guys, we got our bracket. This is the 90-degree one. It's going to go right here. That's where this little ravine is. It's the first one. What you're going to do is you're going to center it right over that ravine. Okay, make sure it's nice and snug. Make some dots. Make your 2 dots, and then we're going to grab a center punch and our 3/16 drill bit and drill those 2 holes out. Okay guys, for these spots, it's best to use like a little center punch, like an impact tool, or you press on it and it like leaves an indent so that the drill bit doesn't stray as you're going. But if you don't, you can use something sharp, kind of like this, and you can give it a good tap like that on each of them. Make sure they're centered. Perfect. Okay, now that we got that all done, what I would do is I would here. The spots are good. You can also dab a little bit of paint on the inside of these to prevent them from rusting, or if you have a paint pen. Okay guys, I use some Steal It here. And this is something that you can use to just dab inside of these holes. Just helps prevent any rust. Then you're going to place your bracket, which I took back over the table. Then you're going to come over here, you're going to place your bracket. You're going to fit your rivets in here. Sometimes these can use a little tap to get in. They don't want to go in. Okay, lesson learned: when you're putting these things in, test fit them before you finally come to pressing them in. Next, you're going to get your rib gun. Get this thing all pressed in there. Now we've got this bottom one secured nice and tight, you're going to be adding your hood strut. Make sure piston side is down. Just apply pressure, clips right on. Then you're going to have the full hood strut right here, and then up here is where you're going to measure out those bad boys. There we go. And then this is where we will be drilling 2 more holes to be adding this hood strut in. So let's grab a piece of tape. Now that we know roughly where it's going to go. Okay, so we'll go right up in here. Okay, we got our Sharpie. You can just leave it going. Or he has less of them to unload. Like that. Okay, grab the drill. Make sure where your glasses. First one's done. Now we're going to complete this process by doing the exact same thing on the other side, and we'll show you the complete product when we finish the other side and the end result. Almost done. Okay guys, this ends this install. Once we've done the driver one, the passenger one was super easy. This is what the end product looks like here. Zoom in so you guys can see. Okay, that's the bottom. Top up here. Super clean install, very easy. This dual strut just puts less stress on the single one, and gives you just more even rise when you do a double strut. Maybe took us 15 minutes in total to install these once we had kind of walked through the instructions and got going. The last piece of this is just to install back the plastic piece. You can see that it does touch a little bit right there, but you can trim it if you'd like. I don't think it's needed, but you can. And we're going to install this last piece, put it in the clip, and then we're good to go. So if you guys like this install, give this a thumbs up, subscribe, we appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next video.